Introducing our new triangular contemporary slimline bollard. This bollard offers lighting with a slender, clean, and unobtrusive appearance. The contemporary bollard is perfect for a wide range of applications such as parking areas, pedestrian walkways, and landscape accents. The durable extruded aluminum housing is finished with a weather-resistant texture powder coat finish. The precision vandal-resistant UV-stabilized polycarbonate optical lens with cone reflector produces a Type 5 distribution and protects the internal components. An optional opal luma lens is available for soft uplight to light walls and adjacent landscape elements. This fixture offers high-efficiency 12-watt LED arrays that produce up to 1,300 delivered lumens. With a choice of 3 color temperatures, 3K, 4K, and 5K CCT. This fixture easily replaces 50-watt legacy HID systems with an energy savings of 80% or more versus comparable metal halide systems. QSSI and its family of brands has product in 5 USA locations ready to ship to you. Our inventory is your inventory. Thank you for watching. Visit us on the web for a complete product lineup.